So this is our Easter centerpiece, and I love this so much because it's such a simple and easy way to really make an impression. You can make it last minute.
It's gorgeous.
These
are those cherry blossoms?
Yes.
Yeah.
And they're starting to be in season right now. They're so simple. They're so beautiful.
Buy them from a florist. Do not take them from your neighbor's yard.
Do not recommend. So you're just gonna arrange the branches however you like, and then here are these little eggs. You just get these little guys and you put the hooks inside.
Oh, you just screw a little eye hook in the top.
Yes, and then you're gonna take here. Do you want to do one little string? And you're just gonna make a little loop.
With raffia.
Yes. And then you're gonna take your letter. So here, I'm gonna give you an R.
Yay.
And you're gonna stick that right on there so you can spell out the last name of your family, or you can spell out Happy Easter, as we're doing here. And then it's so easy. So here's the P to just complete the Happy Easter.
That is adorable.
Right? And it's so easy.